If you're a truck driver in New Jersey or New York and were injured on the job, then you can qualify for workers' compensation. In New Jersey, you must notify your employer usually within 14 days of your injury to qualify for workers' comp, but the situation differs based on varying circumstances. When it comes to repetitive stress or occupational injuries, you have 2 years to file from the date of learning of the condition's connection to your employment. New York is similar with some minor differences. The notification window is up to 30 days, and the occupational injuries window remains the same. But rules around independent contractors are more stringent. If they apply to you, then you may not qualify for workers' comp. Reaching out to an experienced lawyer can help you make sense of these complicated legal setups. The lawyers at Davis, Saperstein Salomon have over 35 years of experience working with truck accident and workers' comp cases, and are ready to fight for the justice that you deserve. Contact us at 201-444-4444 or visit us at dsslaw.com to set up a free consultation. We're here for you.